Well, hello there everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Haley. Welcome back if you're returning and welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be going over my April IPSY bag, and I have to say IPSY really stepped it up, I feel, in this month. Not only was their shipping super duper fast. I normally get my IPSY bag probably between the 11th and the 15th of every month. It's come as late as the 25th of every month, but I got this on the 9th of this month, so I don't know what's going on at IPSY, but they were shipping super fast, and I appreciate it. Second of all, I feel like the products are way better this month. I don't know what's going on, but you know, I'm not complaining. First of all, let's talk about how dang cute this bag is. Like, what? This is freaking adorable. This is absolutely perfect for spring with this lilac purpley color. The ring on it is wooden. It's so cute. Like, this screams spring to me. As always, I'm starting off with nothing in my hair, nothing on my face, in case I can try anything out for you if applicable. So let's do it. Alright, the first product and the one that I picked, and I'm so happy about it, it is a Glossier product. Like, what? What? It's the Priming Moisture Rich Luxurious Face Cream. What? They had so many options. It was like Glossier and then all these other brands that I haven't heard of, so I was like, duh. This is probably the only chance I can get to try this product out. So, I'm not going to put it on my face. However, oh, that was not what I was expecting. I was expecting like a clear gel, but this is thick. Ooh. Ooh. The smell, it reminds me of a baby. I know that sounds really weird, but like a lot of baby products have the same smell, and that's what it smells like. I accidentally got some on the back of my hand. Wow. That is silky. Put any on my face right now. I don't need to at the moment, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to move on to the next product. Next product is the Sugar Cosmetics Black Liquid Eyeliner. I literally get a liquid eyeliner in every single IPSY bag, and I'm not complaining because I love felt tip eyeliners. Like, I don't do anything else, so I'm not complaining. I'm not going to open it because, like I said, I get one in every IPSY bag. I have so many eyeliners lined up that I need to use, so I'm just going to hold out on that one. Ooh, a nail polish. Smart nail polish. What does that mean? So, it is this Helios Smart Nail Polish in the shade Livin Lovely. And it says it's smart, but I'm trying to figure out what that means. So it says Helios Luminor is a smart nail polish with a photo initiator for a gel-like look and long wear time. This formula cures in natural light with no need for UV or LED lamps. Ooh! Oh, it's like a gel nail polish, but without any lamps, and that's pretty cool to me. And this shade, look at how well this shade goes with this bag. IPSY was done on purpose. I think so. But this is totally my kind of nail polish shade too. Ugh. I love this shade so much. This is like my go-to nail polish shade. And I don't know if you can see how big this handle is. It makes it so easy to hold. Oh, I cannot wait to try this out. Next we have this Oatmeal face scrub from the brand Thann. I think that's how you say it. Sorry if I butchered it. I've never heard of this brand before, but I love oatmeal scrubs. It's like my favorite thing. It just says it's organic and marshmallow extracts. What? I can't really read it because I wiped this down with alcohol when I got it and I kind of smeared everything, but it's an oatmeal scrub. I don't know if it's exfoliating or not. I don't know if it's gel or not. I can't really tell. And finally, the only product I can really try on right now is this BellePierre Cosmetics Matte Lipstick in the shade Incognito. Yay! Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, I really like the packaging of this. I don't know if you can see, it looks like a cushion. Cute. This is a full-size product. Oh, that's brown. What is that smell? It smells really, really good, you guys. Wow. I can't put my finger on what it is, but it smells dang good. It's almost like a sugary kind of smell. So I'm going to go grab a mirror so I can try this on. Okay, so this shade is not for me. it's just not for me. I mean, it's bad lipstick. It's just the shade is not for me. I do have to say that, you can probably saw when I put it on that it went everywhere. Like, it's very transferable. It just went all outside the lines. I was pretty precise, I feel. It's just not my shade, and it's really throwing me off. But it does feel really nice, I will say that. I love the packaging of it, but unfortunately I don't think I'm going to be able to wear it. It's not my look, you know? Alright, well those are the 5 products I got in my IPSY bag this month. I think I did pretty darn well. I'm super excited for that nail polish because it matches this bag and it's just so cute. Stay tuned for more videos. I have a lot coming soon. I'll see you guys later.